naman natin?
Ngayon.
And, bago niya i-blow, syempre, ang kanyang candle, at para makapag-wish din siya. And the celebrant's birthday, celebrator's message.
Yes.
This is the 60 years story of Mrs. Denita Garcia Javier. So everybody, meron tayong trivia question mamaya ha. Ito yung accomplishment niya mula pagkasilang until today.
Okay.
Mrs. Denita Garcia Javier, known as Nits. She was born on July 30, 1962 in Magsaysay, Occidental Mindoro. The 8th of the 11 children of the late Paulina de la Cruz and Victorino Garcia. She attended at Barahan Elementary School, Santa Cruz, Occidental Mindoro, Magsaysay National High School, and Divine Word College of San Jose, where she took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration major in accounting. And later, her master's degree at Occidental Mindoro National College, Masters in Public Administration. After graduation, she trained the Arrastre and Stevedoring Services Incorporated as bookkeeper and finance officer, later under different management. Mina de Oro, San Jose Port Services, and Prudential Customs Brokerage. Luckily, in the year 2004, she was given a chance in the government service at Philippine Ports Authority as collection representative, is a statistician, and now as harbor operation officer. She is by nature a hardworking, career, family, and friend-loving person. She wants to make all her time productive. Her full-time job in employment, but still work as financial advisor in Insular Life during free time. She married Rodolfo Dumalaog Javier in 1993. And were blessed with 2 sons, Ron Kenneth and Rodolfo III. Unfortunately, her husband passed away in the year 2016. Being a solo parent is a hard and challenging role. But through patience, hard work, and trust to the Lord, impossible becomes possible.